Good morning, students. I hope you all are very fine. So today what we are going to discuss, it's all about notice writing. I know we have been learning its notice writing about from 6th class, but still there are few mistakes that we do while writing a notice. So today I am going to tell you about that how you have to write a notice in a perfect form. I think after watching this video you will never do this kind of mistake again while writing your notice. So welcome to free writing lesson, what notice writing is. In this we will discuss about the format, key points, example, or exactly what is the notice it. Sometime I ask from a student what do you mean by notice, so they even can't explain what is notice it. So today I am explaining you what is notice first. It is a written or printed piece of information. It is a written or printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people, जो हम एक स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल के लिए बनाते हैं. इट यूजली कवर एन इवेंट, एन इनॉग्रेशन, अ फंक्शन, अ जर्नल इंस्ट्रक्शन. इट इंक्लूड्स that mostly common on display on the school boards or any public places. Key points while writing a notice. What you have to keep in your mind while writing a notice. The first and the major point is the ideal length of notice is 50 words. You have to remember this, that you cannot write more than 50 words. So only the relevant point needs to be addressed. Sometimes I found the student write 10 or 12 lines in the notice. It's totally wrong. You have to write only the relevant points. Present the notice in a proper format. You have to write the notice in a proper format. Try to write notice in indirect speech or passive voice only. You have to use these two things while writing a notice. डोंट यूज़ पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस लाइक आई एंड वी. नोटिस में इन चीज़ों का बिल्कुल भी यूज़ प्रॉपर नहीं होता पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस का. सो यू हैव टू kept 4 points in your mind, that length is 50 words, present the notice in a proper format, try to write notice in indirect speech or passive voice only, and don't use a personal pronoun like I and me, we. So what is the format of notice? First you have to make a rectangular box like this, and you have to mention the name of the organization in the middle of this, and after that you have to mention notice in capital letter below this, and in the left side you have to mention the date of notice on which it will be issuing, title and headlines, that what is the major topic that is going to discuss in this notice. After that you have to write the body below it. After completing the body, that comes signature, name and designation. You have to mention all these things, so you have to clear about it. Now we'll take an example. Body of a notice. You have to keep these 6 W's question in your mind while writing a notice. What is the notice about? First you have to clear the thing, that notice you are writing is for what. Who is it addressed to? It addressed to general public or for a student, for teacher. You have to mention it. Where is the event? If you are writing for any event, then you have to mention that where the event is going on. When is the event going to happen? What to do? The instructions are written related to the notice. Whom to contact to get in touch with. Like for example, you are writing a notice for inviting people, so for these to whom we have to contact, you have to write all these answers of these questions. Now example, you are the secretary of activity club in your school. The annual day program is to be held next month. Write a notice for the school display board in this reference. आपको इस टाइप का एग्जाम्पल आएगा लिखने के लिए, आपको मिलेगा, तो आपको कैसे राइट करना देखिए. अब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू मेंशन द स्कूल नेम. अर्लियर आई हैव टोल्ड यू द नेम ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो यहाँ हम स्कूल की बात करें, ABC स्कूल अहमदाबाद. Just below it you have to write notice and then date, on which date it's going to issue, and then title, annual day celebration. This is informed to all the students. फर्स्ट W का आंसर मिल गया आपको कि किसके लिए, ये स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है. दैट द स्कूल्स एनुअल डे फंक्शन विल बी, इवेंट पता चल गया क्या है. इवेंट स्कूल का एनुअल फंक्शन है जो हेल्ड होगा 10 जनवरी को. यहाँ डेट आप उससे पहले की भी डाल सकते हो. सपोज अगर 10 जनवरी को हेल्ड होने जा रहा है तो ऊपर आप 8 जनवरी या 6 जनवरी जो भी डाल सकते हो उससे पहले. और कब होगा, 11 AM to 1 PM. और उसके बाद क्या बता रहा है, इनॉग्रेशन प्लेस बता रहा है, कहाँ पर होगा, इस जगह पर होगा. डॉक्टर विक्रांत पांडे विल ग्रेस द ओकेजन एज चीफ गेस्ट और यहाँ पर जो एड्रेस करेंगे वो कौन होंगे, डॉक्टर विक्रांत पांडे। एवरी स्टूडेंट नीड टू कलेक्ट दीज पासिस फ्रॉम द रिस्पेक्टिव क्लास टीचर। अब आपको ये पता चल गया कि किसके टच में आपने आना है, किससे लिए आपने पासिस क्या करने हैं, अवेल करने हैं। तो एवरी स्टूडेंट नीड्स टू कलेक्ट दिस पासिस फ्रॉम द रिस्पेक्टिव क्लास टीचर, and after that you have to mention your name, designation, signature in this. I hope you have cleared about it. So after watching this video you have to write a notice on that your school is organizing a sports day celebration in the upcoming week. Thank you.